Hey, how's it going? My name is Nikki.
My name is Jacob.
I'm Meriam.
I'm Ben.
I'm Christian.
I'm Elliot, and we are student ambassadors from Student Success and Engagement here at Humber College.
First of all, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you, our faculty, for all of your support and dedication to our learning.
Joining the Humber community is a big adjustment, and so we would like to thank you so much for answering our questions, listening to our concerns, and providing all of the resources available to us.
We may not always say it, but we are super thankful.
With new services, workshops, and protocols being added to the mix throughout the year, it's easy to feel out of the loop, and that's okay because we got you.
As students, we'll have questions, and it's likely we'll come to you first. Student Success and Engagement understands this and made it our mission to make sure you feel prepared and confident when answering all these questions while continuing a culture of kindness.
So, what's the next step?
Well, we filmed a video tour of the We Got You site to show you all the services available to us.
The video will be linked down below, and we would love for you to watch and share with everyone you know here at Humber.
This video site tour will help you answer questions like, how do I get involved on campus?
Where do I access my accommodations? How do I apply for bursaries and scholarships? Who do I talk to if I'm struggling with academics? And what's open and what's free?
It's a great resource and something that will save us a lot of time this semester.
Share at the beginning of the first or second class or add to Blackboard.
Doing this and keeping an open line of communications about these resources will really enhance our experience at Humber.
Especially when the semester starts getting busy with approaching midterms and exams.
And with that said, thank you again for being partners in our education.
Your efforts go a long way in making our campus experience memorable. We appreciate you and take care. We're all in this together.